What if math wasn't about stressful tests, but about creating stunning, intricate art with just a click? What if simple rules could generate infinite beauty? Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm excited to introduce Fractal Garden, a game in the playable math series I'm creating based on fascinating mathematical theories. The goal: to make math concepts visual, interactive, and fun, not intimidating. In this video, I'll quickly show you the game, touch on the beautiful math behind it, fractals, and share a little peek into the development process. Fractal Garden is designed to be super casual and relaxing. The core idea is simple. You click, and a unique fractal pattern grows right before your eyes. Think of it like a digital garden. And you have creative control. You can choose your colors, change the background, and tweak parameters like the branching angle, the complexity using the sliders. See one you really like? Just hit keep to save it. Generate another, keep it too, and soon you'll have cultivated your own unique fractal forest. And when you've created a masterpiece, you can easily export it as an image to save or share. So what's making this beauty happen? It's a mathematical concept called fractals. Simply put, fractals are shapes or patterns that exhibit self-similarity, meaning their basic shape repeats itself over and over at smaller and smaller scales. Think of a tree branch splitting into two smaller branches, which split again. In Fractal Garden, we use a type of fractal generated by simple recursive rules. Imagine telling the computer, draw a line, then at the end, turn left and draw a shorter line, and turn right and draw another shorter line. Repeat that process many times, and these incredibly intricate patterns emerge. The key takeaway isn't complex formulas, but appreciating how simple repeating mathematical rules can create endless visual beauty and complexity found both in nature and code. Developing Fractal Garden had some challenges though. The main challenge was implementing the core recursive generation efficiently, making sure it could handle complexity without slowing down too much. Hooking up the UI sliders and color pickers to dynamically change the fractal parameters was also key. I iterated on features too, like adding the preview and keep system so players can curate their garden, background color options, and an export feature to round out the creative experience. My goal throughout was to keep it accessible and focus on the visual output, turning math theory into an interactive art tool. So that's Fractal Garden version 1, a simple, relaxing way to explore the beauty of fractals. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Are there any other math concepts you love to see me visualize as a casual game? If you enjoyed this look at Fractal Garden and math-inspired game dev, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more updates. Thanks so much for watching.